Welcome to the spoken tutorial on KV Online Admission Marking Admission Status. In this tutorial, we will discuss the process of marking admission status. Log in to the teacher's portal. Use the login ID of the school and password you had set earlier. Type the CAPTCHA code displayed. Click on the login button. Teacher's portal opens with the dashboard page. I will demonstrate how to mark the admission status under each category. We can mark the admission status for the categories where lottery has been conducted. Even if the number of applicants in a particular category for your school is too small to warrant a lottery, you must conduct the lottery for this category before marking the admission status. Remember that the lottery respects priorities of applicants as defined by KVS admission guidelines. So, there is no harm in conducting the lottery even if your school didn't need it for a particular category. In the admission portal, to mark the admission status under each category, click on the lottery link. Admissions for the RTE applicants must be marked first. From the lottery menu, click on the RTE lottery link. The RTE lottery page opens. Information regarding the RTE lottery is displayed at the top of the page. It shows the date and time when the RTE lottery was conducted. Number of RTE seats available is also displayed. This number is different for each school. The post-lottery list is displayed on the page. In each row against each application, you will see admission status checkbox and remarks field. The default display in admission status column is not admitted status. Before you mark the admission status, check the application form of the applicant. To view the application, click on the application submission code. Application opens in a new tab. Check the application carefully. If necessary, click on the View button to view the uploaded certificate and photo of the applicant. Go back to the school portal page. In the admission status column, you will see a small white checkbox. To mark the status of this application as admitted, click on this checkbox. A pop-up box opens. Read the message and click on OK button. Another pop-up box opens with a message updated successfully. On the admission status column against the name, you will see the message admitted under RTE category. Under remarks column, type the appropriate remark. Again, a pop-up box opens with a message. Read the message and click on OK button. Another pop-up box opens with a message remarks updated successfully. Continue marking the admission status for all the applications. If an applicant is not admitted, please type the reason for not giving admission under this category. This applicant can be given admission in another category if her or his name appears high enough in that category's list. The remarks are needed to record the reason why the applicant is not admitted in this specific category. Fill the remarks column for all applications up to the last admitted applicant in each category without fail. Do not leave the remarks column blank. This information will be available for KVS authorities for checking at a later stage if needed. If you want to reverse the applicant's admission status, again click on the checkbox in the status column for that particular applicant. A pop-up box appears. Read the message and click on OK button. Updated successfully message appears. Click on the OK button. Notice that the status is now reversed. Update the remarks column accordingly. After you finish updating the status for all the applications in this category, move on to the next category. For purposes of this video, we are demonstrating how to admit students only in some chosen categories. Now we will choose differently abled SC category. While administering admissions, However, you must repeat this step for all categories in which there are applicants for your school. This lottery was already conducted. The date and time on which the lottery was conducted is given at the top of the page. Here, only one applicant is seen under this category. If an applicant is admitted under other category, it is indicated against that name under the admission status column. As seen in the admission status column, the applicant is already admitted under RTE category. Next, click on Differently Abled ST Lottery. Notice that there are no applicants in this category for this school. Here I am marking the admission status for service category 1. You will notice that here too some of the applicants are given admission in another category. Mark the status for all the applicants. As shown in this demonstration, complete the marking of admission status under all categories. Differently Abled General OBC CL. All service categories from 1 to 6. SC Lottery, ST Lottery, OBC NCL and SGC Lottery. Scroll down the page. In the admission list section, you can see KVS ward applications, admitted applications, admission status of all applications, change admission category. Click on Change Admission Category link. The page opens with a list of all the admitted applications. Read the message at the top of the page. School authorities are solely responsible for making any changes in the category of the admission. Please note that all changes will be displayed to KVS headquarters. On this page, the last column shows Change Admission Category. Here we have the provision to change the admission category of the applicant. Notice that for the following admission categories, change in admission category is not applicable. All differently abled categories, OBC, RTE, SC, single girl child and ST categories. Hence, there is no provision to change the admission category for these admissions. For all service categories 1 to 6, there is a provision to change the admission category. If a particular admission is made under wrong category and needs to be changed, click on the text box, choose category in that row. From the drop-down, choose the service category you want to change to. Pop-up box with a message, "Are you sure you want to change service category?" opens on the screen. Click on the OK button. Updated successfully message appears. Here are some examples. The changes made will be reflected in the Admitted Applications page. I will click on Admitted Applications link. The page opens. Here you will see applications with information such as admission, category, lottery number, remarks, admission category changes if any. On this page, we can see the changes made in the admission category for a particular applicant. To print and display this list after all admissions have been given, click on Export as Excel button at the top left corner of the page. In the dialog box, click on Save File option and click on OK button. The file saves to the Downloads folder. Here I have opened the file. You can use this file for display purpose. To view the status of all applications, click on Admission Status of All Applications link. Here you will see the admission status of all applications. Scroll up and click on Socio-Economic or Differently Abled Admission Summary link. On this page, you will find the admission summary for applicants from economically weaker sections, below poverty line sections and differently abled categories. You will see total seats, total admissions and excess admissions and other distribution tables. The tables also provide the shortfall column for each distribution. Next, I will click on Admission Summary link. The page opens with list of all applicants who have been admitted so far. Admissions Overview section shows information such as total seats available, total admissions, etc. Total number of changes made in admission category by school is displayed here. As you continue the admission process, this page will also get automatically updated. Scroll down, you will find more information on admission under different categories. Admission under service categories. Here, total admissions aggregated after changing the category is displayed. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by MHRD, Government of India. This video is created by Snehalata Kaliappan and Madhuri Ganpati from Spoken Tutorial project IIT Bombay. Thank you for watching.